Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install fonts on iPad. Alright, let's begin. I'm showing this on iPhone, but steps are the same on iPad. Open the App Store, search for iFont, and install it. Open the app and click Import in the top right corner. You will see multiple options to get fonts. You can import from local storage or websites. Let's say we want to import from Google Fonts. Click on it, scroll through the fonts, and once you find one you like, tap Get. It will show as imported. Go back to the home of the app, and your imported fonts will appear. Tap Install, then Continue, then Allow. Next, open the Settings app, choose Profile Downloaded, and tap Install on the top right. Enter your passcode, tap Install again, and repeat once more. Finally, click Done. Now your font is ready. Enjoy the new fonts for writing, notes, or designs. So that's basically how you can install fonts on iPad. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.